I'm going to go ahead and make this video real quick. Let people know on their Hondas. Here's what's going on. This car wouldn't start. Okay, I put a brand new starter in it. It's a little Honda v-tec, Honda Civic. Okay, 98. Wasn't getting no power down here to my starter. Okay, so I went ahead and took power off the batteries. Okay, stuck my battery charger on here, 6 volt. Clipped it on there. Started tracking down the problem. Tracked it all the way back to here, this plug, okay? I'm good from here, this plug, right here, all the way to my starter. I'm getting power. So I went ahead and disconnected everything, put the battery back on, tested it on the other side, okay? Now, from here to the starter is where the problem was. So I went to the starter, okay? I checked the back of the starter with my tester light. I had to make me a tester light. I touched it on there. Okay, the light wasn't coming on. Turned the key over, the light was coming on. So I tracked all the way down to this junction box right here, this little freaking relay. Okay, my whole problem was this relay. These points weren't touching. That's it. And it's up under the dash, and it's hidden away back up in here. You never would find it. So I'm going to tell you guys, I went ahead. Here's what I did. Watch. These little points ain't touching right there. Okay, I gotta set my camera down to show you guys. Well, anyways, I got in the car. As long as I'm pushing this here, see? As long as I'm pushing this little points here down, my finger, okay, the car will start. Then I can let go of the button, and we're okay. Okay? But other than that, car won't do nothing. See? So, I could either tape this shut or wedge it shut or buy a new one. What do you think I'm going to do? Buy a fucking new one. Thank you, guys. All right. That's my video.